How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. No project today, folks. We have a follow-up video on the ice chains that I installed on my tractor the other week. I got these chains and put them on the tractor, and I was bragging about how good they're going to be in the ice. Well, now we're going to be able to find out, because it rained yesterday all day. We got pretty near 2 inches of rain yesterday, and then it was cold overnight. So now we've got nice ice everywhere in the landing and out the lane everywhere. So these chains that I got, and by the way, I got these chains from www.tirechainsonline.com. Tire Chains Online, all one word. So www.tirechainsonline.com. I think I put some misinformation in the video about when I was putting the chains on the tractor. So anyways, I wanted to clear that up. Tire Chains Online, all one word. Okay, so anyways, I was bragging about these nice chains with the ice corks. Look forward to getting some ice to test them out on. Well, we got ice here this morning, so that's what we're up to. I'm going to take the tractor out, drive around the landing a little bit, out the lane and back, and try to get some video of these chains in operation, push a little snow, see what happens. So let's have a look, see if these chains are any good. Okay, video could be better, but not bad. I think you saw how good those chains worked with those studs, those ice corks as I call them. They dug right in. Now mind you, this morning the ice is a bit soft, so they do dig in good, but I think even on fresh hard ice, if it was like say 10 or 12 below, I think those chains would still dig in and fight like heck to keep the tractor moving. I went out my lane and back, I had no problems out there, did a little plowing at the end of the lane and that worked okay. And then I went over in the side yard here. You couldn't see it from the camera from away, but the camera that was on the tractor, I plowing into the snowbank, and a couple of times I think I almost made the chains spin, but I'm not sure, because they're some hard to spin, boys. They dig right in. Yeah, they're like little bulldogs. Great chains. I wish I had a set of them for the front, I'll tell you that, because Like the chains that are on the front of my tractor are just about wore out completely. They're not far from breaking, I don't think. But when I turn the tractor, it just slides. But if I had those ice corks on there, man, she'd dig in like crazy, and I bet you'd whip it around no problem at all. So I'm going to have to start saving my bottles and collect some money and some, you know, whatever I can to order a set of those chains for next year. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Hope you like these new chains from TireChainsOnline.com. TireChainsOnline.com. It sounds like I'm sponsored by them, but I'm not. I'm no way at all sponsored by Tire Chains Online. It's just that in the video I made about my tractor putting the chains on there, I think I inadvertently gave the wrong website. So if anybody's out there looking for the chains, probably having a hard time finding them, because you won't find them on the site that I gave you. But the site is TireChainsOnline.com. Check them out. You won't be sorry. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you.